Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download GTA San Andreas on PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your favorite browser and search for Rockstar Games. Open this official link. Then you will be on this dashboard. Now on the right upper side, you will find this search button. Click on that and search for San Andreas. If you scroll down, you will find here this. Simply open it. Here you will see this game description. And on the left side, you will find a Buy Now button. You have to click on that. It will open new tab here. Now from here you have to scroll down and here you will find this PC Buy Now. Click on that. It will take you to this sign in option. If you don't have an account, you can simply create one. After signing in again, you will be on this page. Here you have to choose your payment methods, write your card details and click on this Continue. After doing this step, click back to first open Home and click on this Get Launcher. After that, click on Download for Windows. It will start downloading. After installing this, open this Rockstar Games launcher. First, you have to sign into your account. After signing in, it will show you a game in my library. It's showing me GTA 5 because I only purchased this one. If you have purchased San Andreas, you will find her GTA San Andreas in your library, and it will also give you this install button. If you click on this Install Now, your game will be downloaded on your PC. So that's basically how you can download GTA San Andreas on PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.